If your backup camera's gone dark but you still need to park with confidence, this guide is for you. Let's fix that camera together. First, make sure your Ford Escape is safely parked and the ignition is on. Shift your gear into reverse. If the screen is black or says no signal, here's what to check. Step 1. Clean the camera lens at the back. Dirt or water spots can block your view completely. A simple wipe might do the trick. Step 2. Check your display. If it's still blank, try restarting your Escape by turning it off, waiting a minute, and starting again. Step 3. Look for blown fuses. Your owner's manual will show you where the fuse box is, usually under the dash or in the engine bay. Replace any blown camera fuse with the exact same type. Step 4. Inspect the camera wiring at the back gate. Loose or damaged wires might need a mechanic, but sometimes a loose connector just needs to be pushed back in. And if none of these work, it may be time to visit your dealership or a trusted repair shop. Fixing your rear view camera can be quick and easy, and you'll be backing up safely again in no time.